DBIT Payroll is a corporate payroll solution designed for medium to large size organisations. The purpose of this demonstration is to give our new clients a brief overview of our product. For a tailored demonstration, please feel free to contact our sales department by clicking on the Contact Us button on our home screen. There are 9 tabs running along the top of the screen. Each tab is associated with a specific task within DBIT Payroll. The first tab, Transactions, is where all new information is entered into the system. Appointing new employees, placing employees on leave, suspensions, terminations, etc. When carrying out any of these tasks, the simple wizards will guide you through the steps. Tab number 2, Inquiries, is where the payroll administrator can produce a company audit trail that lists any changes that have been made to the system. Payroll users may also use the Inquiries tab to write their own SQL queries. Tab number 3 is the Reports tab. There are 80 reports built into the standard system. They are grouped into 4 categories: Schedules current period, Schedules to date, Schedules historical, and General reports. In addition to SQL queries, DBIT also has an easy-to-use click-and-drag ad hoc report writer for quick reports on the fly. Tab number 4 is the Maintenance tab. This is where all payroll data is maintained. It is also home to the Employee Master File. The Employee Master File is a central part of the payroll system. Each employee has their own master file, and the master file comprises of 8 tabs. Tab number 1 is the Personnel tab. This is where the employee's personal and occupational details reside. To my right, I have a photograph of the employee, as well as the address details. The second tab of the Employee Master File is the Payroll tab. Shift and working patterns are stored for leave purposes, along with a minimum and a maximum net pay to prevent under and overpayments. The payroll frequency is also recorded, along with the public holidays for leave purposes and payroll tax. The distribution code is a default cost code for this employee. Employees can be split among and costed to an infinite number of different departments. Tab number 3 is the Payslip tab. DBIT is an employee-centric payroll system, meaning that each employee can be set up with his or her own unique pay codes. Pay codes are either an earning, a deduction, a cost to the company, or a dummy action. Each action has a sequence number, which defines whether it is a pre- or a post-tax deduction. This makes our system perfect for companies that have salary package components. Tab number 4 of the Employee Master File is the Taxation tab. This is where the employee's tax file number is recorded. All 7 tax scales are built into the system. PAYE variation amounts and percentages can also be entered into DBIT Payroll. DBIT also calculates HELP and SFSS, and tax tables are updated annually via the DBIT Web Update facility. DBIT also caters for contractors as well as employees. An ABN can be entered into the system instead of a tax file number. DBIT will also generate an RCTI on the contractor's behalf. The Payment tab is where the employee's bank account details are recorded. Employees can have their pay distributed into an infinite number of bank accounts, including third-party accounts, split by a dollar value or a percentage. Superannuation fund and member details are captured under the Super tab of the Employee Master File. DBIT Payroll will calculate superannuation for each employee, and Pay Your Super will automate super payments for the entire company. For more information, please click on Partners, then Westpac on our website. Leave is 100% user definable and configured to meet your requirements. The leave associated with each employee is recorded in the Employee's Master File and will accrue based on the rules you have provided us. Notes associated with certain employees are recorded under the Notes tab of the Employee Master File. The geocost type, type of employment, and period end dates are also captured in this section. Payroll processing. When processing a payroll, locking and recalculating the payroll is the first step. When the payroll is locked for processing, no new information can be entered into the system. Once the payroll is locked, it's as easy as following the payroll processing checklist. The checklist lists in order the steps you need to follow to process your payroll from start to finish, including which reports need to be generated, EFT file, printing of pay slips, etc. The payroll processing checklist is set up by DBIT for each client. The backing up of the payroll is done automatically at the end of each pay period. Payroll users can also back up and restore at any time through DBIT Payroll without any assistance from the IT department. When backing up payroll data, simply click Backup, select the correct backup folder, give the backup a description, and click Backup Now. Restoring backups are just as easy. Simply click the Backup tab, select the backup you'd like to restore, and click Restore. Software updates are released quarterly and are available via the DBIT Web Update facility. DBIT Payroll will update itself and provide a revision history, listing any changes or new features. As well as telephone support, our clients have access to an online help desk and knowledge base. The help desk can be accessed through the payroll or through our website. This concludes our demonstration. Thank you very much for your time. For more information, please click the Contact Us button on our home screen.